Hello, I'm Pete Murphy, Chairman of the Fairfax County Planning Commission and the Springfield District Planning Commissioner. The following program will assist Fairfax County employees and public facilities applicants in understanding the 2232 review process. 2232 reviews are required by the Commonwealth of Virginia and provide information that the Fairfax County Department of Planning and Zoning needs to determine if the location, character, and extent in the application are in accordance with the Fairfax County Comprehensive Plan.
The mission of the Department of Planning and Zoning is to promote livable communities which enhance the quality of life for the present and for the future. To fulfill this mission, the department uses the Comprehensive Plan. The Comprehensive Plan is a detailed map and text document that establishes the vision for all land use and development in Fairfax County. It is the primary guide used by county staff and the public for planning in the county.
In terms of the public facilities branch, we deal with feature shown applications. And basically feature shown means, I know it can sound like kind of a nebulous term as to what is this feature shown and where is it and things like that, but it's actually shown on the plan. Anything that is in blue is a public facility of some sort. It could be a library, it could be a fire station, it could be a school, it could be a park, it could be some type of telecommunications facility, it could be a utility facility. And we look for three basic features known as character, location, and extent.
The location of it must make sense within the context. Obviously, it's serving a public need. Is it in a place that the public can actually get to it? Can they access this? The character of it, ideally a public facility should exist within the context of its community. The character of the community, a park should have the character of the land around it. And the extent is the extent of impact, the extent in which this facility will impact the community negatively or positively.
So this was a tree preserve area. We couldn't touch these trees. This is all new stuff with the new fence. So we added all this sidewalk on this side of the road. There'll be a crosswalk that goes across right over there. And then this is all the new buffering between the community and the maintenance facility.
There are three general categories of 2232 review: an administrative review, a feature shown memorandum, or a public hearing.
For example, if we have a provider that has already put up antennas and equipment cabinets at a particular location, and they come back and they just want to add a certain amount of antennas or a certain amount of equipment cabinets that are within a defined standard that we have that it does not exceed, we do a simpler staff report that's just basically an administrative review, asking the Planning Commission to concur with our recommendation. The next step up would be when we would write a formal feature shown memorandum. You may already have an existing public facility. I just had a recent review for what was called the Huntington Service Lane, and that public facility has been there for a number of years. However, they wanted to expand the facility. And so usually things like that we will also send forward as a feature shown memorandum, just asking the Planning Commission to concur with our recommendation that we see that the facility modification is reasonable and in keeping with what was originally intended. The top tier review would be when we know from the beginning that we're going to have a public hearing. And why that may be the case is that you may be coming in with a public facility that was never on the comprehensive plan. And so you'd want to have, a public hearing for that.
The 2232 application form itself is made up of the following sections: a summary sheet, a statement of justification, and supporting materials and information, which includes a property identification map, proposed facility plan, and photographs of the site with dimensions. Telecommunication applications may also include photo simulations when a tower or monopole is proposed. These simulations are based on an on-site height test.
it's called a balloon test, in which we send the balloon up to the heights of the actual tower. So individuals from around the area can see, oh, that balloon, that's how high this is going to be.
Depending on the type of facility and development proposed, the application is reviewed by staff from various county agencies. It is a collaborative process where the Public Facilities Branch ensures that any agency concerns about the proposed project are accurately captured and addressed.
I had some questions about the antenna that they're proposing.
Okay. It's really important for county agencies to be part of the review process and collaborate along with the applicant and the facilities branch and have feedback, because what we're allowing them to do, we're allowing them to have a voice. Just like we allow the public to have a voice, we want to make sure our agencies have a voice, because we're all in the same team here. And we want to make sure that we all are satisfied with the facilities and that all agencies that are involved, as well as the public, are positively impacted by them.
Fairfax County is one of the premier counties in the country, and we're known for excellence in everything we do. We want the county to look good. We want the vision to be fulfilled as to how it's to be built out, and that we have met our goals in trying to meet the objectives of the comprehensive plan.
Please feel free to call us for assistance and visit our website for additional information. Thank you for helping us maintain the quality of life in Fairfax County.